Welcome back to Sled Dog TikTok. Yana and I have been on the Canadian border for 4 days. We even went into Canadian waters. We are on Basswood Lake there. Yana likes canoe camping. Here's camp. A little messy. I had to dry stuff out. We got rained on hard yesterday. Tent. Camp dog. Tarts set up in case we get some more rain. Canoes down here. Huge lake. That side right there, that's Canada. It's all Canada. All Canada. This right here is what they call American Point. Got a couple of fishies too. That's dinner. That's dinner right there. Beautiful sandy beach. Check this out. Doesn't get any better than that. Talk to you later.